In today's video, we'll be providing you with the AC clutch fuse and AC clutch relay locations for your 2002 through 2005 11th generation Ford Thunderbird. We'll also show you how to test both of these components. Let's provide you with an overview of what the AC clutch is and how it works. The AC clutch is mounted on the front of the compressor. It consists of a pulley, hub, and electromagnetic coil. The coil is mounted on the front of the compressor shaft and is connected to the vehicle's electrical system. In the diagram here, the red arrow is pointing to the AC clutch. When you turn on the air conditioning, the powertrain control module, or PCM, sends an electrical signal to the AC clutch coil. This signal creates a magnetic field. The magnetic field causes the AC clutch plate to engage with the pulley and hub assembly. As a result, the compressor begins to spin along with the engine. Now, let's provide you with a brief overview of the components we're going to talk about in today's video. Here you see a picture of the AC clutch relay. This relay has two sides to it, a load side and a control side. We're going to be focusing today on the load side of the relay. There is a fuse that powers the load side of the relay that we're pointing to here with the purple arrow. That's the fuse we're going to help you identify and test along with the relay itself. Your 11th generation Ford Thunderbird has 3 fuse boxes. The fuse box that contains the AC clutch fuse and relay is located in the engine compartment. So open the hood and remove the access panel to reveal the fuses and relays. The actual physical location of the front power distribution box is shown here in the picture. Here you see the location of the fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. The fuse box diagram component number of the fuse is shown here in the picture. Here are some of the different types of fuses this vehicle's manufacturer uses across its vehicles. In order to determine what type of fuse you have, just compare it to the different fuses we have shown here. We'll drop some links down in the description below of where you can get some replacement fuses. Next, we'll show you how to use a multimeter to test the fuse. This is how you perform a resistance test using a digital multimeter. First, set your multimeter to resistance mode. Second, after making sure your test probes are in the correct ports and verifying your tool is configured correctly, touch one of your leads to one side of the fuse and touch your other lead to the other side of the fuse. If your display shows OL or doesn't change, this means the fuse is bad. If your display shows 0 or virtually 0 resistance, this means your fuse is good. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Here you see the relay. The actual physical location of the relay is shown here in the picture. If this relay has an assigned number on the fuse box diagram, it's also noted here as well. Next, we'll show you how to bench test the relay. If you look on the side of the relay, you'll see the pin assignments. Using this information, we can test the relay by supplying our own inputs and monitoring the outputs using a multimeter. Pins 1 and 2 are the control side of the relay. We can provide our own power and ground as shown in the diagram. Pins 3 and 5 are the load side of the relay. If the relay is good, when we apply a power and a ground to the control side of the relay, we should see continuity or virtually 0 resistance on pins 3 and 5. If the relay is bad, when we apply a power and a ground to the control side, we'll see OL or no change on our multimeter display. When bench testing relays and other components like this, we recommend the Power Probe 3. We've owned this tool several years and have many videos showing it in action. The Power Probe 3 makes it very convenient to apply power and grounds when testing components. If your relay is bad and you end up needing to replace it, we'll provide links to some replacement relays down in the description below. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.